Hey there, I'm Chris, founder of CityFly. CityFly is your weekend late-night ride back from New York City. I grew up in Westchester, and like a lot of my friends, spent many weekend nights out in the town. We'd ride the Metro North into Grand Central, enjoy a night out with friends and coworkers, before scrambling to figure out how we were going to get home. We could either catch the 150 train, take an expensive Uber home, or sleep on the street outside of Grand Central. Don't laugh, you know people that have done that too. That's why we started CityFly, your late night ride home from New York City. CityFly shuttles drive the same route as your typical Metro North trains, making all local stops and dropping you off at the train station of your choice. What's even better, we provide water, snacks, and coach bus seating to help you recharge your batteries and wind down your night. Have a large group coming in for a concert or party? Book your private CityFly to make sure everyone gets home safe and sound. Demand for CityFly has been through the roof, so sign up now at cityfly.nyc to reserve your spot. Share this video with your friends and stop stressing about catching that last train home.